Sanbanana guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Mnabwetu, Happily Ever After, you guys. Guys, this episode opened up with Utulas. Utulas, uyobona inyanga yakhe uyohlola kumkhulukhoza. Ayi-ke uDulas ke, he says, guys, in his diary session ukuthi unenkinga, and he's been having a problem yokuthi uhusha amaphupho, basically. He's been having bad dreams that have been worrying him, and ati there's this one dream where uphupha ingane, but ingane is mothered, or the mother of the child in the dream is a lady amaziyo yena uDulas. And then in the dream, the child ingane is not in a good state. Uze kuyaxoxa ukuthi ingane like mesesimeni esinje, ingane angeke iphile, the child will never survive. He says ukuthi obviously that dream imthusile, guys, or that dream imthusile, because this dream, he started having these dreams right after he had just started celebrating ukuthi uMamhlongo is pregnant, you guys. So anyway, uDulasi ke, he enters umkhukhu wakhona. He's telling inyanga yakhe ukuthi uzimisela ukuthi athathe uwife number 3, athathe wesithathu, because uMamhlongo wongumuntu othe uyahamba. So my understanding is that uDulas is telling the traditional healer indaba yokuthi uMamhlongo was saying ukuthi uyahamba. So before uMamhlongo officially left, or when she left, I was already finding her replacement, and I found uThabisile. Was going to be wife number 3. Then uMamhlongo, she didn't end up going. So anyway, uThabisile, she can't be jikiswa back, guys. She must be part of the wives, because he already promised her umshado again. The inyanga tells uDulas athi ngikutshele ke mfana, athi ngikutshele imfihlo about the one lo ofuna umthatha. uMashezi ke, uThabisile, her surname is uShezi. uMashezi uyena ke ozokuzalela ingane yomfana. She's the one who's going to give birth to your first son. uDulas goes on to say ukuthi hey, ngingajabula because iyona nsizwa enginganayo. So I do have children, or I do have a child. I don't know if uDulas has more than one child, guys, but I know ukuthi unengane noMashozi. But anyway, he tells inyanga yakhe ukuthi he would be happy because he does not have a boy. But it goes on to say ukuthi phela ikhona nenye yokuthi uMamhlongo uyithwele, meaning that she is pregnant. The sangoma goes on to say ukuthi mina like angisiboni isisu sizifihlile, meaning that the pregnancy is hiding itself. Then inyanga kaDulas goes on to tell him ukuthi uzomela ukuthi umtholele intambo ebovu, a red string, and mela ibophelele esinqeni, mela she needs to tie that red protective ntambo to her waist. So that's supposed to, I guess that's supposed to protect the pregnancy or protect the child. But uDulas, in his diary session, he says ukuthi uyingozi if abantu ababonayo or ababoniswayo, uyingozi if they can't see the pregnancy, because that means the child is in danger or there's something wrong. So maybe uDulas, guys, when he's at that session, maybe he's linking lento khulunywa umkhulukhoza to his dreams, because isn't he says that he had a dream where there's a child and the child unenkinga. So maybe he's thinking ukuthi uMamhlongo maybe nayo unenkinga, or there's a problem with the child that she's carrying. Kanti uDulas akazi ukuthi ingane ayisekho, guys. Again, then uSandiso, we see uSandiso uye emakhuleni, guys, uyothenga i-airtime, because he says that now he realizes ukuthi umzala wakhe uNtokozo, remember he met up noNtokozo the last time, umzala wakhe, I hope that's the name, but he met up nomzala wakhe, and umzala wakhe was basically emyala, emtshela ukuthi like le ndlela ofuna ukwenza izinto ngakhona, like it's not right. You can't be wanting to do things without your family. So now ufonela umzala wakhe ukuthi axolise and tell them mzala ukuthi you know what, ngikhulume kabi, I am sorry, sengiyabona lento boyikhuluma, bengicela ukuthi please arrange a family meeting. nomalume no-auntie enzele sizoxoxa-ke. So that's what he does. That's what he does in that scene. But I'm just thinking to myself, Usandi, so guys, I just feel like there's something wrong in his head. Guys, as I've said before, ngeke usenza njani isithembu without your family involved, because it's that, like, even like usenza kanjani isithembu without your family involved, because ezinye izinto are going to want your family. So how ngeke. Then anyway, we still Kondanisa, guys. So Kondanisa, he's outside the house, who's Puzelitier like him. That's when his father comes out. His father is also drinking tea or coffee angazi, kodwa abize uqondanisa ukuthi abangene phakathi enzele bazoxoxa-ke. So uqondanisa goes on to say ukuthi ngiyabonga baba for calling me here, and but you know ukuthi indaba with my wives ukuthi both my wives left bahamba, and the time bahamba we did not have a proper communication of, you know, wuchi, like we did not have families meet up and discuss your wuchi indodakazi yakho seyahamba and whatnot. Like they just left informally, but families have not done any type of meet up. But ubaba Kondanisa goes on to say wuchi phela nomndeni kaMamkhulu, they are wrong, because ngeke bahlale nengane yabo ekhaya bazi ukuthi bayishadisa. But basically ngokwesintu, guys, that is not allowed. You can't allow ubone your daughter come back home and then sit down and not contact the in-laws. They were supposed to contact the in-laws, especially Mamkhulu, guys. She is the first wife. But ubaba Kondanisa goes on to say kodwa-ke I can't even blame your wives, because nawe unephutha, there's many mistakes that you have made. At this point, guys, I'm just like uqondanisa ufunani lana, because when we watched Umnawethu, guys, there's many potential couples that could have came and replaced uqondanisa, because we can all see ukuthi uqondanisa is just pushing everything just for imali, just for ETV. Like boring indaba yabo, because we can see very well Kondanisa will not go back to Samantha. If they do get back together, guys, I'm not going to believe it. I'm just going to believe ukuthi it's something that they're just doing for the sake of the money. But you can see, akuhambi kahle, like they must just close indaba kaQondanisa on this happily ever after show. Anyway, Kondanisa goes on to say to babwakhe ukuthi mina bengicabanga ukuthi I need to meet up nobhuti bakaMamkhulu sixoxe ukuthi, you know, what's the way forward, what do I need to do to rectify things, and then futhi ngihlangane nonokhuzana no-auntie kaSamantha so we can speak about, you know, like what's the way forward, because I need my wife's back. Kondanisa goes on to say, guys, ukuthi hey baba, kungenzeka ukuthi ukhona umakoti. I'm like, what does it mean mega sithi ukuthi kungenzeka? So the ubaba Kondanisa goes on to say ukuthi wena like kanti like uzama ukuvala isikhala sakaMazwide or what, mosithi kungenzeka unomuntu wesithathu and sombonile lo muntu or usabheka. Kondanisa says, yes, ngizama ukuvala isikhali sikaMazwide and bengisengimbonile like sekakhona lo muntu. Number 3, sekakhona bathi uMangcobo, yes, uMangcobo. At this point I was really so irritated, because I'm just like, how are you going to fetch an OS touch, whereas you're saying you are still trying to fix izinto no-wife number 1 no-wife number 2. Yithi wena nje ukuthi usiqalela phansi isithembu, because both these women don't want nothing to do with you. I don't even know lowest 3, guys, ukuthi what's going through her mind for her to enter the situation, because uqondanisa, guys, I'm sorry to say this, like he just looks like a fish or umuntu that's just floating, going with the flow. Uqondanisa bengicela ukuthi asibonise ukuthi le mali that he's been getting over these seasons, what has he done with it? Because every time Miss Bon Kondanisa, he's meeting up in people's houses. I don't even know, maybe this house is at his house or what. Like there's nothing, okay, imoto or something that she's showing us that also like siyabona ukuthi hayi ngempela you've been on these seasons and we can see what you're doing with the money. But it looks like this guy is broke and it looks like that's the reason why he keeps coming back. So Mawulando OS3, uzomondla ngani? Like how will you even lobola her? Ay ke. Then ke ubaba ke ambuze ke ukuthi hayibo like ndodana like uzimiselela nje ukuthatha abangaki, like how many wives do you plan on taking? Konani supposed to answer, guys, or goes on to answer ukuthi he isn't focused ukuthi bangaki in number. The only thing he's focused on is finding a woman with a good heart. I'm like, I shame ke lapho ke uzodideka bhuti, because sonke ke when you meet us we've got good hearts, sishade nje. Marry us, and then that's when men start saying women don't have good hearts, because then some women just can't stand for nonsense, and then it's like you have a bad heart. I don't think there's such a thing. Okay, there are people who have bad hearts, but I'm just saying if he's going to use that strategy, ushukuthi akaphelelanga wife number 3 ke akaphelelanga lapho, because there's still many people, or there's many people who have good hearts, guys, but it doesn't mean that they are fit for his temple, or it doesn't make them a good wife material or good fit into your family. So all the best to him. Next scene, guys, we see Utulas. Utulas is in Orange Farm. Uyobona uMamShongo. He says he's going to see uMamShongo so that he can tell her about lenda jelwe inyanga yakhe. So anyway, Utulas again called Megafie Gaitini. And then eventually MamShongo, when she answers the phone, she's like, Aibo, I'm a surprise one, Lana. Like, I don't like surprises. Like, why are you surprising me? Ufiulang chelanga type of things. But Tulas in his diary session says that like we are sabutugile because he's scared to tell uMamShongo about utite ninyanga, because uMamShongo does not believe in izinto zenyanga, guys. So he doesn't know whether uzovuma, whether she will agree to what he's going to tell her. Ake uMamShongo says ukuthi ayiwang surprise again namhlanje. Wavela ungangitshelanga, like kwenzenjani, like what's up? Utulas goes on to say ukuthi bengikuchecka nje, dala ngagcina-ke, dala sagcinana. uMamShongo in the diary sessions like ayibo uBhutiza uthi uzongichecka akaphathanga lutho, and especially in his mind he knows that I'm pregnant. Like how does umuntu eyocheka umuntu wakhe o pregnant okhulelwe akaphathanga next? And I'm like, she's right, Veli. Ambona ukuthi uze nge-agenda, because uMamShongo, the way she was looking at him, it's like she was waiting ukuthi azwe ngempela ukuthi uze ngani lana, because I found now and to just come and visit me, just to come and check up on me. Then Tulas goes on to say ukuthi I phela ngiphume enyangeni, I went to go and see nyanga yami. And MamShongo was like, ngani, like why? Guys, can I just say this? I don't understand people who are in esithenjini or esithembini esamanje as a black person, and you don't believe kwizinto zenyanga. I don't understand. Like, maybe educate me, guys. Is it not that, or maybe in like believing kwinyanga and ubeliever emadlozini abufani? I don't understand, guys, because I'm like, isn't it a normal thing esithembini that visiting inyanga is a normal thing? I don't know, guys, educate me, because it just seems strange to me. Because then like, is it not that inyanga sees spiritually and menenzi izinto zamasiko, like you guys are normally instructed spiritually to do isiko or to do something? Like, I don't understand. Maybe explain it to me, you guys, because I was a bit confused then. But anyway, ugela buze ukuthi ngani, like buyombona ngani and why, you know? Then uDulas goes on to say ukuthi ay bengiyobheka nje izinto zami. So kusho ukuthi Dulas, this is a normal way of living for him. It's a normal thing ukuthi ayobheka izinto zakhe. Then Dulas goes on to tell her ukuthi phela bathi unemgozi ngoba abaphansi abamboni, like asibonakali isisu. so fanele uthole intambo so that ingane izophepha nawe uzophepha, basically umntwana usengozini. Mamhlonga ahlekele phansi, guys. She just laughs a little bit and she's like, cha, angifuni. Like, and then Tulas is trying to understand ukuthi like, awufuni, like, is it because like you don't believe in these things? But Ugel in her diary session says ukuthi how. Angithi nyanga iti like adamboni, like adayiboni ingane. Kodwa ingane isengozini. Like she's trying to say ukuthi how do you see, like you can't see the child but you know the child is in danger, how does that match? And she's like and I'm like, it does make sense. Inyanga is basically saying, if wena Tulas uthi ikhulelwe ilokhuzana yakho, ikhulelwe inkosikazi yakho, I'm taking your word for it, but I'm not seeing anything. So if I'm not seeing anything and indeed she's pregnant, that then means that there must be some danger upon the child's life. So I don't see ukuthi Umamhlong was trying to say ukuthi it's contradictory. I don't see ukuthi where was it not hlangana, was it hlanganas in the explanation. So Mamhlongo goes on to say, there's something that I haven't told you. Ngaba miscarriage. I had a miscarriage. Ingane ayisekho, so like bengazi ukuthi ngizokutshela kanjani when it happened. Inkathi yenzeka ngakhona, like wongumuntu busy, like ngazama ukuthi ngikufonele, and the day I tried calling you, you told me ukuthi ubusy, ngikufonele later, and then later when you called, obviously I did not want to speak, and then isikhathi sahamba without me not knowing ukuthi ngizokutshela kanjani. UDulas takes her hand, you guys, and then he says ukuthi ngiyaxolisa and ngifuna ukwazisa ukuthi akulona iphutha lakho, but I want to tell ukuthi nami nje this thing is hurting me. He goes on to say ukuthi angazi ukuthi uzizwa kanjani for namhlanje, bemfuna ukuthi uhlangane noThabisile, angazi ukuthi ready to see her today. I'm like, what? Guys, literally in the same sentence, he did not even ask Mamhlong ukuthi unjani, like how did you cope after this miscarriage. He literally said, sorry, it's not your fault, I'm also hurt, but also, by the way, I want to know, I wanted you to meet uThabisile. So I'm like, well, was there uThabisile lana? Because in your mind, this is not the right time to you don't think so? These guys, this tempo guys, especially in this season, it's like they don't have no brains, because uLokuzana Usandiso did the same thing last week. He took out Umamkhulu to a restaurant, Eyopolisa, for everything. But while he's there at that restaurant, he invites Umanlan. Like, really, nothing in your head tells you this is not the right time. Guys. Anyway, Umamhlongo, she didn't even seem surprised, guys. Yes, like now I kind of understand why Benga Funu ukutshela uDulas, because she knew Wuti was not going to support her and be there for her the way she needed him to be there. Umamhlongo just looks at him. She's like, "We're serious," and Dulas is like, "Yes, serious." And then she says, "Pumuhambe Dulas," and then Dulas is like, "Nikshie, like unje." Obviously, like, why are you even asking that question? Because it's not like you were here for her anyway. And then she's like, yeah, Puma Tulas, Pumu Hambe. And then Tulas just gets up and he leaves. As he leaves, then Usiska Mamhlonga angene, guys. I mean, she also Mamhlonga to write in Ini. And then she also Mamhlonga to mchelile Mailana ne miscarriage him. And then Mamhlongo says, yes, I told him. And immediately after I told him, Unjela uThabisile, his girlfriend was tattoo, a girlfriend that he wants to make wife number 3. Yo, guys, the sister was not happy. She just basically went on and she was like, ngakutshela ukuthi usesemncane for this, usesemncane uDulasi ukufaka kwi-mess nje, he's putting you in a mess, and umncane kabi for yonke lento uDulasi that he's putting you through. Like umncane, you can get a guy that's going to love you, that's going to do the right things for you, like he wasn't even supposed to akhulume about his other girlfriend, whereas you're telling him you just had a miscarriage. He was supposed to he was supposed to comfort you in ini kodwa nawe awuza like sakutshela ukuthi like sikhathalele umndeni sakutshela ukuthi uphuma kulo mfana mara awuza ngithi meke kwenzela izinto you go back and say uyamthanda. I was just like yo guys, I felt like that was not the right time for usiska Mamhlongo to speak like that, but I understand she's speaking out of anger ukuthi how many times as a family they've been telling her ukuthi like arashiye phansi, but she doesn't listen. In her diary session usiska Mamhlongo goes on to say that listen lengane ayizwa because mesimiyana she tells us ukuthi hayi mina ngikhathele uDulasi ini meka amthengele amakhawashi meka menzele smallanyana things. She gets too excited and she says uDulasi yangithanda in all honesty I don't see Mamhlongo going anywhere, but anyway all the best to her because Ugel is slowly losing herself. Well, let me say it looks like Ugel is slowly losing herself, but anyway Ugel is different man this season. It looks like she's no more like even Kulumela Pezul guys this season. She's not even doing that. It's like she's just different. It's like she's really on that mode yokuthi noma yini pozayam. Usandi, so we see him Gempela, they have the family meeting and Antwai came. It's like wazi was-spoiled yazi like ufuna umamncane uzomandla ngani umamncane khona-ke isithembu wasibona kuphi because la emndenini wethu we don't know isithembu. You know what he says guys in his diary session? Usandiso says in his diary session uthi yazi lo mndeni yangidina nje. Like that's the reason that I did not tell them ukuthi ngifuna ukuthatha isithembu because bengisazi ukuthi bazonqaba. I'm like, this guy, anytime someone speaks or has an opinion that's different from you, that means they are not for you. I'm like, you are dumb. You are dumb and you are not seeing that your family is trying, but you are not listening to that. But anyway, the family, you can see the family is not for his decision. But anyway, they end up agreeing with him, Melisi Slangane. Because we need to discuss with them. We need to have a conversation with them. It looks like they are willing to have a conversation about his temple with Umamkulu's family. But anyway, they're all being honest that listen, they don't like Lento Sandisa Yenzayo. I get Ukandanisa guys decide to go and see Antika Samantha. Antika Samantha guys, she looks so good there. Even her house is looking so nice because she was in the previous season, guys. But anyway, she looks so good there. And then Ukandanisa angenege endlini. And then the aunt starts saying which uzokolisa bad when wang bizange la serenki. Ngazibheka esipileni ngazibuza ukuthi like ikhathini laserenke lifana njengani or something like that, but she was trying to go back to the issues and uKondanisa was like, listen auntie, like I'm not here ukuzolwa, I'm just here to say that I want to take the right steps so that I can get Samantha back. U-Auntie Samantha athi uyazi-ke kunengane, what about the child? Kondanisa goes on to say ukuthi manje what I want is that imindeni or that the families must meet and unite and then okunye soxoxa phambili. Yet in his diary session he says ukuthi hayi phela ingane, I've already made up my mind ukuthi ingane ngifuna uma wayo kodwa ngifuna ingane. I'm not Kondanisa, like how can, like guys, how cruel is that? Uyifunani ingane like uma wengane if you don't want the child? Who's going to grow up that child if you don't want the child? But anyway, u-Antika Samantha says, we don't have a problem in releasing Samantha back to you. All that we say, ukuthi, there must be no blood that is shed. Asfuni kazi, asfuni ikaze lichithekayo, asfuni nyongo. Like nothing, basically. There must be no ceremony where there's shedding of blood because uSamantha naye bekanephutha, guys. So, Bathi, I don't understand it, but she's saying something ukuthi uSamantha for lo muntu awuye. Because uSamantha unobizo, guys, but there must be no blood that shed because uSamantha, she was also wrong. So they must just bakubege from where they left or from Angazi. I don't have an understanding of that, but that's what the auntie says. I last seen Kazu Tulasi. He goes to uMashozi and merangena elzini kaMashozi ungena noMashezi. I'm like, so much disrespect. He would have never done that to Mamshong. One thing about Utulas he's scared of Mamshong. Why did he not go to Mamshongo? Ehamba no Thabisile no Mashezi. He didn't do that. Got to uMashozi when he's going to see her automatically uyombona ehamba no Thabisile. I'm like, ayibo uyadelela lona. Anyway, uDula sangena ahlale phansi and you can see ukuthi uMashozi like udineke ucikekile nje. I'm like, why ucikekile? Your problem, you see, the problem is, guys, with the lost wives is that the moments kuthathwa uwife number 3 unenkinga. uMashozi, guys, did she not come into this temple at Delela and whatnot, because maybe she thought ukuthi kuvalwa ngaye. Manje she must feel it too. I guess she must feel it too. So her problem is that ungitshele ukuthi sizoba yi-2 manje uThabisile uyaphi basically. Then uMashozi gets up, guys. She goes and pour uDula drink. She pours herself drink and she doesn't pour anything for uMashezi. uMashezi just laughs, but yambona ukuthi uMashezi like ubukeka ngathi uthule, guys, but uyadelela because she then also ukuthi mina Dula ngicela ubuza ukuthi what happened to me, because angiyibona le nkulumo yeni, like angiyibona ukuthi like iyaphi. Like uMashozi ulwa nawe, so angiyibona ukuthi yaphi, so what's going to happen with me? And uMashozi is like, hayi wena ungazongisukela ungazongidelela nje, like what do you mean ukuthi ngilwa nabani mina? Like menize la nize mina ukuthi like what must I do? Must I approve your relationship or what and what not? Like ungazongisukela mina. And then uMashezi is like, no, mawufuna ukulwa singaphumela ngaphandle phela. I'm like, I'm at 2000. One thing about I'm at 2000, guys, don't disrespect them. They can be respectful when they want to, but don't disrespect them because they know how to be disrespectful. But anyway, iphelela kanjalo. uMashozi is not happy with what uDulas did, but listen, uDulas does what uDulas wants. Guys, let's pocket here. Tell me your thoughts on this latest episode. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.